Afternoon. Okay, I want you to take out the science worksheet book, this page class. Okay, page number 2 on class, page number 2. Okay, you see before you see the question, today is Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday 13-7-2021. Okay, now you see the question. Color the things we hear with our ears. Yes. Okay, yes. Okay, yours is telinga. Okay, color the things we hear with the ear with our ears. Itu maksud dia benda yang kita dengar dari bunyi kita dengar daripada telinga. So, which one? Color the things we hear with our telinga. Warnakan benda yang kita dengar melalui telinga. So you kena tengok, you have to see the pictures first. Okay, you see the picture number 1. Okay, picture number 1 is, what is this class? Guitar. We can listen with our ears or not? Yes, so you have to color. Okay, you have to color the guitar. Okay, you have to color. Why we can listen the sound from the guitar? Because this over here we can have the sound. Okay, when you play the music, like got some ting 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 sound. Okay, so this one you color. Okay, you color class. Okay, you color this one. Okay, after you color the guitar, okay, next you see the book. From the book you can listen anything or not? Cannot. We use the book to read. Okay, we just look. Okay, color the things we hear with our ears. The book is no, because the book we just read. Okay, when teacher asks you to read, you just read the storybook, you read the book. Okay, so this one is no. Okay, next you see the rocking. This one is called rocking horse. Rocking horse got the sound or not, class? Let me think. Got sound or not, class? No, this one is we use to play. Okay, play, but it don't have any sound. Okay, don't have any sound. You just sit over here. Okay, you sit. Okay, after that you up and down, up down, up down, like that. Okay, so this one is rocking horse, no have any sound. Next is radio. What is radio? Are you got see radio in our class before this? Radio got the sound. Okay, got music, got songs. Okay, got songs, got music. Okay, so we can listen what music you like. You can listen a cartoon song, you want to listen Chinese song, you want to listen Malay song, or you want to listen Tamil song. Also you can listen from this song. You can listen to the songs favorite song. Okay, this one is radio. Okay, so you have to color the radio. Okay, you color the radio. Okay, after you color the radio, okay, so the answer is guitar and the radio. Book cannot, because we use the book to read. Rocking horse can or not? Rocking horse cannot. We use rocking horse to play. Okay, next, now you go to the next page. Wow, next page. Okay, next page, class. Okay, Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday 13-7-2021. Okay, you see, which part of the body do you use to smell? Color the pictures. Okay, they ask you to color the pictures, so please take out your color. Okay, now we see the picture first. Okay, we see the first one. First one is ear. Ear we can smell or not? No, we use the ear to listen to song, listen to music. Okay, how about the hand, class? Very good. Okay, good answer. Okay, we use the hand to eat. We use the hand to wash. Okay, then we use the hand to color. We use hand to hold a pencil. Okay, like that. Okay, this one is no. You cannot. You use your hand to smell. Cannot. You cannot smell your hand. Okay, no. Wow, what picture is this? This one is nose. Okay, you use your nose to smell. Wow, it smells good. So nose can smell the one or not? Yes, color. We can smell with our nose. Nose can smell. Wow, this one is the cake, so delicious. So you can smell the nose. So you have to color the nose. Okay, you color the nose. Okay, wow, it smells very nice. Okay, you can smell the nose. Okay, next. You see there? Okay, after you can smell, why you use your nose to smell? Other part cannot. You cannot use other part to smell. Ear, we only to listen music. Eyes, we look or we read. Okay, mouth, we eat. Nose, to smell. Okay. Okay, now tick the things that you can smell. Wow, what picture is this, class? Pizza. Do you like pizza or not, class? Wow, okay. Can you smell pizza? Yes, you can smell because we use our nose to smell. So you can smell the pizza. Okay, so you have to tick correct answer. Okay, now you go to the next picture. Balloon. Balloon can listen or not, class? No, because we use the balloon to blow. Okay, we use our mouth to blow. Okay, you got sound. Whoo, whoo, like that. So you blow. So this one is no. Okay, now you see the number 3. Number 3 is what, class? This one is box. Okay, we can smell the box or not, class? We cannot hear the box smell, so you cannot use your nose to smell the box. You don't have any smell, so this one is nope. Okay, wow, what is this, class? Chicken. Okay, you can smell the chicken or not? Wow, this chicken is very nice, so I can smell the chicken. Chicken is delicious, so you have to tick correct. Okay, this one is about the nose. Okay, you can smell with your nose. Okay, class, we done for today. Okay, thank you, class. Bye. Have a good day.